Good morning, class 5, chapter number 7, solid, liquid and gas. Student, in this chapter we will discuss or we will learn about molecules and atoms, states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, change in the state of matter on heating or cooling, physical and chemical change. So student, let's start. So there is a one activity. Identify the states of matter by looking at the intermolecular space. So first of all, what is the intermolecular space, student? What is the? So the space between the two molecules is called intermolecular space. So suppose these are the molecules. So the space between the two molecules, this is called the intermolecular space. So student, you can see in first conical flask and the molecules, or we can say that the particles of the matter are present far away. So which state of matter? Yes student, gas. And in next conical flask you can see that there is a less force of attraction, or we can say that intermolecular force is less than the gas. So this is the liquid. In third, there is a negligible, there is a no any intermolecular, very less, or we can say that negligible intermolecular space. So student, this is solid. So student, now what is the matter? You know, I think in class 4 there is a one chapter matter and 3 states of a matter: solid, liquid, gas. So what is the matter? Yes student, everything in this universe, whether it is living or no living, listen carefully, everything in this universe, whether it is living or no living things, that has mass and occupies space, that is called matter. Air, water, food and even a human body is a matter, but condition is it should have the mass or occupy space. So what about your feeling? Happy, sadness, there is any mass or occupy space? No, these are not a matter. So what is the matter? Everything in this universe, whether it is living or non-living things, that has mass and occupy space, that is called matter. Now student, molecules and atoms. Student, you know, matter is made up of the tiny particles called molecules. These matter are made up of the tiny particle, you can see. These are the molecules. And you know, these molecules are also made up of the tiny particles. Tiniest, we can say the tinier or tinier. These are called atoms. And when two or more atoms join together, they form molecules. You cannot see with naked eye these atoms because they are so tiny. They cannot see with naked eye. And you know student, these atoms form the basic building block of all matter. These form the basic building block of matter. And we have discussed also intermolecular space. The space between the two molecules of the states of matter are called intermolecular space. And you know student, there is a large force of attraction among the molecules. It is very strong in solid because they are closely packed. If we talk about the particles, or we can say that molecules of the solid, they are closely packed bete. They do not have any intermolecular. They are rigid. Rigid means not flexibility. The property of the matter that has not flexibility, that is called rigid. And you know, solid are rigid. Why solid are rigid? Because they do not have any intermolecular space, or we can say that they have very large force of attraction. So student, that is why solid are rigid, not flexible, and while the liquid flow easily and gases spread in all direction. Liquid has the less, we can say that the molecular space than the gas, but solid do not have the intermolecular space. So liquid flow easily, and the gas, the particles of, or we can say that the molecules of the gas are present far away. So gases spread in all direction. So student, I hope you understand. We have discussed molecules and atoms. And student, what is the mass? Yes student, the quantity of the matter, or we can say that the amount of the matter present in it, that is called mass. And student, what is the volume? The space occupied by an object, that is called its volume. And in next lecture we will discuss state of matter, and we will discuss also again mass and volume. Okay students, take care. Bye.